Hey, how's it going again? Well, you know what this is about. You know what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'm about to go in. So, been gone for a couple of days. Been having a couple of things. Oh, wait a minute. Let me bring her here. Hey. I mean, I'm sure you would prefer to see her face than mine. Yeah, but today, got breakfast. I want to drop the syrup. Pancakes and some regular sausages. You know, us New Yorkers, we don't say sausages, we say sausages. You know, so I got some sausages and some pancakes. And it's about to go down. You know, I had a long day at work last night. It was very cold. Um, you know, did a lot of moving around, a lot of deliveries and stuff like that. So, you know, I'm home now. I have days off. And I work at nights. Believe it or not, I don't like it. But I'm getting used to it. But not for too long, because I'm switching back. I gotta be available on the days. You know, champions get things done in the day. Champions don't operate at night. Now, if you've made it to that point where you are a champion and you have it like that, then yeah. Then you can say, hey, well, you know what? I'm going to change my schedule to night. But yeah. So I'm gonna start eating, and you guys are gonna see, you know, how I just switch things. You know, I don't like to make rules with anything. I just go according to how things are. But I'm gonna eat my food, and you know, I want to get my Spanish family on this. You know, I don't know if they up on Mukbang, pero el Mukbang es bueno. Para decirlo bien, Mukbang son videos que la gente comen comida frente a la cámara, pero quieren que uno puede oír los ruidos de la comida y quieren que le digan el sabor y que puedan escuchar todo. Eso es lo que les gustan del mukbang, y por eso es que tú ves que todos estos videos se están poniendo bien grandes ahora, porque el mukbang es una cosa muy popular y hay mucha gente que están interesados en ver los videos en todos los países, ¿ok? So déjame orar antes, porque yo no he orado y no quiero tener hábitos malos, ¿ok? So give me 1 second. Regular pancakes, you know. I like my pancakes crispy. Some people like them more light and everything. You know what I did with these pancakes? I put them in the oven after they were done, because I like my stuff out the oven, crispy, fresh. Mm. 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 I'm gonna try to make this video under 10 minutes. Mm. Mm. You know, at first I was like, oh, maybe I should get a knife and, you know, set the whole thing up and eat all fancy. Look, when I grew up, I'm 35 years old. It was hard times. I'm not saying we didn't have a knife or fork or none of that, but you know, it wasn't one of them situations where, you know, listen, you got your food, you ate your food, that was it. You know, you worked with what you had. You know, it wasn't always about being fancy. It was about the moment and enjoying everything that you got. You know what I mean? And just being grateful. So don't get confused with all this glamour and stuff like that. That's cute. But the main thing is you're here and you're able to make this video. You're in your house. I don't know where you at, what country you in, whatever the situation is, but you're able to sit down and show us a meal and eat in peace. Nobody's trying to take your food, you know? So, make sure you feel proud of that. You never let anyone make you feel like, what they have is more valuable than yours, Your life is valuable. It's priceless. Mm. To be honest with you, I prefer to eat home pancakes and IHOPs. I'm not crazy about IHOPs and all them places. I like home food. Home food is the best. Mm. That's how I get down. You know. Mm. That was syrupy. Definitely was. Mm. That's my baby in the back. Wasn't feeling too well today, so we kept her home from school. So it's like as soon as we kept her home from school, all the symptoms just went away, Typical kids. Mm. I want you guys to stay in tune too, because I'm gonna start to have some meals that are way more healthy. I'm really working on it. Trust me, I really am. Just give me some time. Bear with me. You know, I'm just putting out whatever I can for the moment, whatever I'm eating. I am going to give you some better content, and that's what it's about. It's about helping each other out, making examples, and just showing us how to be a better us every single day. So an old saying, I'm pretty sure you guys heard it before, one hand washes the other and both wash the face. We can all help each other out, and we're all on some journey, so everybody's doing something. But if you know that there are people who are doing the same thing you're doing, and share the same interests, hey, reach out, help them out, make it happen. I'm all about teamwork. I was a very selfish young man, and I thought it was all about me, and it has nothing to do with me. It has something to do with me, but I'm here for more than just me. I'm here for a lot of people who I haven't even met yet. You guys, and you guys are here for me. That's how I started making these videos. Watching you guys, watching you beautiful families out there do your thing, and it's cool. It was just something I started. I didn't plan it. It just happened. So, I was laying down a lot of videos in the beginning, and I'm gonna keep up. Just been a little busy, but yeah, I said under 10 minutes, so let me speed this up. Mm-hmm.